How about? My goodness. So here's what I think is going to happen. Anyway, I'll stop. I'm not going to. I have so many windows open right now in my browser. It's driving me a little insane. So you have to apologize. I have to apologize. I'm sorry. Focus. First thing I want to say, and I'll say this probably a couple times. We talked about section 3.9 yesterday, and I didn't make it clear. I don't know if anybody's paying attention to their homework sheet. There's no homework for 3.9 assigned because it requires the use of the calculator, which I'm not going to make people get it if they don't really need it. And I'm talking about the graphing calculator. So I'm going to make 3.9 extra credit if you want to do 3.9 problems. You won't be able to do it if you don't have a calculator or know how to use Excel to do some stuff, right? So don't spend a lot of time on it if you don't know how to do that. But you can try it out if you want to. It was never really a part of our curriculum that we had to get through, but I wanted to do it to show you a real life example of how lines are useful. And we're going to continue that today. This idea of, all right, why the hell do I have to know how to graph lines, graph anything? All right. Any questions from any homework before I jump into new stuff? I like that. All right. All right. Sorry. I was laughing at some technical difficulties that somebody was having. So the long and short of what I just said is, if you really didn't get yesterday's lecture too well, then it's okay. You don't have to do the 3.9 homework, which is what we're talking about. That's extra credit. Let me see, where am I? So remarkably enough, today we're going to get into 3.10 homework, right? So let's do this. We got to review a couple things before we get into that. I'm trying to go slow because normally somebody comes in with a question right when I'm about to get into something. I don't see anything happening, so I'm going to get into it. I'm wearing my War of the Worlds shirt today because it just felt appropriate. Give me a minute. All right, cool. Move you guys over here. Pop. So we're going to do something really interesting, believe it or not, today. And I want to start with something we haven't done yet. Can somebody tell me, for this equation here, can somebody tell me what the slope is?
2.
Yes. Which means 2 over 1, which means rise 2, run 1. Is everybody with me? Not a big deal. Why? How did he know it was 2? Because m is in front of the x, 2. And another way to look at this is, stay with me now. If I start at -3, because that's going to be my y-intercept, will be 0 and -3, correct? Every step in the x direction is doubled in the y direction. Isn't that what slope means? That's why the number that goes here, I actually call it the amplifier. And whatever number that is, if it's bigger than 1, it makes the x steps bigger. In this case, every x step is twice that for the y step, which is why the y goes up 2 over 1. The y's change double for every x change. Okay, maybe. That was neat. I just left the, I just left everything. Hold on, guys. Sorry. I'm so happy you're all still here. I don't know what just happened. I did forget to check my Wi-Fi, so please speak up if I start lagging real bad or something. All right. What did it look like to you guys? Did I just suddenly leave, or did I just freeze, or did you guys not even notice? You're all like, we're not even paying attention. Oh, I froze? Okay. Great. Okay. So let's see. We got the slope. We got the y-intercept. Now watch this. We haven't done this yet, but I'm hoping this is not that big of a step for us to take. Make a little XY plane. Right. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. Where does this line start? Oh, look at this. I got mad.